Hello everyone. The content of this lecture is Basic Principles of Value Engineering Part 2. This course will cover two main aspects. 1. Ways to improve product value. 2. And the scope of application of value engineering. 1. Ways to improve product value. 1. Increasing functionality with constant cost F, C. 2. Reducing cost with constant functionality F, C. 3. Significantly improving functionality with slight cost increase F, C. 4. Significantly reducing cost with slight decrease in functionality F, C. 5. Improving functionality and reducing cost F, C. First, improve version without changing product costs. The purpose of enhancing product value can be achieved by improving design, enhancing product functions, and adding features desired by certain users. For example, if civil air defense projects only consider temporary concealment functions, they will require significant human and financial resources for maintenance when left unused. However, if they are designed to serve multiple functions, both during wartime, for concealment and peacetime, such as underground shopping malls or parking lots, which greatly enhances their functionality and increases economic benefits. Second, cost-saving version. The purpose of enhancing product value can be achieved by reducing costs while maintaining product functionality. In terms of development trends, both scientific and technological levels, as well as labor productivity, are continuously improving. Therefore, the cost of products or systems at a certain functional level should continuously decrease. New designs, materials, structures, technologies, construction methods, and efficient management levels undoubtedly enhance labor productivity and reduce the cost of products or systems without altering their functions. For instance, due to high temperatures in summer, a cinema needs an air conditioning system to cool down and meet people's comfort needs. After value analysis by relevant personnel, it was decided to use a civil air defense tunnel ventilation system instead of a mechanical refrigeration system. After implementation, this system not only met the cinema's air conditioning requirements, but also reduced construction costs and saved operation and maintenance expenses. Third, investment-oriented version. The product's functionality is significantly enhanced with a relatively small increase in cost. For example, the main function of a television tower is to transmit television and radio programs. If only its single function is considered, once the tower is built, it can only be used for transmitting programs, and the state has to allocate millions of yuan annually for maintenance and updates of the tower and its internal equipment, resulting in poor economic benefits. However, from the perspective of value engineering, if the height of the tower is utilized and a multipurpose equipment room is added, it can serve various departments such as meteorology, environmental protection, transportation, firefighting, and communications. Additionally, observation decks and rotating restaurants can be added to the upper part of the tower. Although the construction cost increases slightly, the functionality is greatly enhanced, and the annual income from comprehensive services and tourism increases significantly. This not only accelerates the recovery of investment, but also achieves self-sustaining operation of the tower. Force sacrifice version. In situations where product functionality decreases slightly, but cost drops significantly, the goal of enhancing product value can still be achieved. This is a flexible business strategy that involves removing unnecessary features to substantially reduce costs while still meeting user requirements. For instance, elderly-friendly mobile phones prioritize basic functionalities like making and receiving calls based on the actual needs of the elderly. These phones retain or add features such as large fonts, large buttons, loud volumes, one-touch emergency dialing, and radios, while eliminating functions like office work, gaming, photography, and other entertainment-related apps. Although the overall functionality of elderly-friendly phones is less than that of regular phones, they still meet the specific needs of elderly customers, and production costs are greatly reduced. However, caution should be exercised when adopting this sacrifice approach in practical situations. Fifth bidirectional version. Simultaneously enhancing product functionality and reducing costs is the most ideal way to increase value and represents the most efficient use of resources. For example, the phase I project of Chongqing's new light rail line introduced straddle-type monorail technology based on the city's characteristics. The integrated structure of the two tracks requires high construction precision, posing challenges such as potential rework or even scrapping of PC track beams. Traditionally, construction abroad follows a sequential approach of building piers first and then beams, which is time-consuming. To achieve its goals, Chongqing's light rail project broke with convention and successfully implemented a simultaneous pier and beam construction and management approach, significantly shortening the construction period, improving precision levels, ensuring construction quality, reducing capital tied up, lowering financing costs, and decreasing overall project costs. 2. Scope of application of value engineering. In general, value engineering can be applied at various stages of product development to enhance product value. However, the degree of economic benefit enhancement varies significantly depending on the stage. For construction projects, the focus of value engineering lies in the planning and design stages, as these are crucial for improving the economic effectiveness of technical solutions. Once design and construction are completed, the value of the construction project is largely determined. At this stage, conducting value engineering analysis becomes more complex, as many previous efforts may be wasted, and changes may result in significant losses, reducing the technical and economic effectiveness of value engineering activities. Nonetheless, during the construction phase, engineers can still carry out numerous value engineering activities to seek breakthroughs in technology, economy, and management, achieving optimal overall results. For example, conducting value engineering activities for construction projects can help clarify owners' requirements, become more familiar with design requirements, structural characteristics, and the natural and geographical conditions of the project site, thereby facilitating the formulation of construction schemes and more effectively organizing and controlling project construction. Through value engineering activities, while ensuring quality. Investments can be saved for users, functionality can be improved, and life cycle costs can be reduced, thereby earning the trust of owners. This is conducive to harmonious and collaborative relationships between both parties, while also enhancing one's social reputation and market competitiveness. Conducting value engineering activities for construction projects also has a positive impact on improving the quality of the project organization, improving internal organizational management, and reducing unreasonable consumption. That concludes the content of this video. Thank you all.